Hello everyone. So in this video we will be configuring the view connection event database on one of my SQL servers. So for this test I'm using SQL Server 2017. Along with that I will be using connection server 7.8 and which I have created in my last video. So I'll be using that same connection server to configure the event database now. So let's start with the demo here. Let me start with showing you the SQL part. The SQL 2017 is currently running, and let me open the SQL Management Studio and connect to my database. You can see here, I have a connection server and the event database is currently showing as yellow. So it's not configured at the moment. And this is my SQL server. So let me just connect to it. I have not created any username or database yet. So if you'll see here, there is no database associated with the view connection server at the moment. So I'll first go ahead, go to the security logins and create a user, the login user, which will be using to make the changes to this database. So I'll give it a name, seek a view EVT, give it a password, enforce the password policy, but I'll uncheck all the other two options because it's a test environment, so I don't need the expiry of the password. I'll hit OK. Once it is done, I'll go to the database and create a new database with the same name, view EVT, and rest, mostly all the things I'll leave it as default. I won't be making any changes. I'll just show you here options, file groups as well as general, everything is same. What I will be doing next is I will be changing the owner. As I have already created the login user, I'll change the owner to that. So I'll browse view EVT here and select that user and hit OK. Now this user is the owner of this database, and it is done from here. We'll go ahead, edit settings, add the database server name, which is dc.ashu.com. That's my domain controller as well as SQL. I'll be using Microsoft SQL. And the port number is 1433. Database name is viewEVT, as well as the username. I'll enter the credentials, which I have added while creating this user, and hit OK. That's it. The view event database is configured. If you'll go to the dashboard, you will see it showing as green and it's saying no issues were found. So everything is perfect from this end. Thank you for watching this video. You have a great day ahead.